Hello, welcome. I'm Lisette, and I'm going to read the daily devotional of Inspired Evidence, a book that was written by Bruce Malone and Julie Von Vett. Today is January 17, and this reading is inspired by biology. Even the feces from baby songbirds reveal the design of God. Baby songbirds are always hungry, and the parent is continually feeding them, but what goes in one end must come out the other. The nest could easily become a real mess. Imagine the bird nests filling up with bird excrement as the baby birds are pushed closer and closer to the rim by the rising sewage. The presence of this fecal matter would not only be unhealthy, but enable predators to easily detect their location. How did God solve this problem? Disposable diapers. Each chick's fecal matter has a mucous membrane that surrounds it. The chick generally defecates within seconds of being fed. The parent then removes this fecal sac and deposits it away from the nest as it flies off to find additional food for the chicks. Shortly before the chicks fly away from the nest, they stop producing fecal sacs. When you see tiny baby birds in their nests, think of how God has provided for their cleanliness and safety using the world's first biodegradable disposable diapers. That is such a cool random fact. Did you guys know that? I didn't know that. That's cool. Scripture of the day, Psalm 50:11. I know all the fowls of the mountains, and the wild beasts of the field are mine. And that is the reading of the day. There it is. It's got a QR code. Anyhow, that would be all for today. I hope you guys had a great, blessed day. Stay safe out there, and I'll be back reading tomorrow again. Bye.